Hi, I'm Chris with Car Won't Start Mobile Service. Located in Houston, Texas, we are a friendly and professional mobile battery service coming to your rescue all across Houston for over 17 years. There's no one in all of Houston who will provide the same level of timely and professional car battery services to you. We have over 80 5-star reviews in Google and Yelp. Car Won't Start Mobile Service comes to you when you're having battery issues no matter where you are on the road or at home. There is never a convenient time for your car not to start. Our emergency roadside service is ready to check your battery's charge or replace your battery entirely. Rest assured that before we replace any battery, we always perform an electrical diagnostic test to make sure the battery is all you need. No matter the time of day, here at Car Won't Start Mobile Service, our friendly technicians will come to your home, office, or even a garage building to deliver and install your new battery, and we can get it done quickly. There's no need to stress over your battery issues. We will come to you fast and with all the things you need to get back on the road. Car Won't Start Mobile Service is here when you need us most. When you give us a call, you'll be connected directly to our owner, so you can expect immediate attention to your inquiry. So don't wait, call now.